Okay, changing fractions to decimal points. I want you to put your answers to the hundreds place. Okay, this one right here is a whole number, and then after a whole number you put a decimal point here, and now after the decimal point the first zero here is a tens place, and then the second number will be hundreds place, and the third number would be thousands place. So I want your answer in the hundreds place, so it will be two numbers after the zero or after the decimal points. Okay, the top number here is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. So in order for you to change fractions to decimal points, you want to take the denominator and put it over here. You put that division sign, and you will put your numerator inside. And then you will put the decimal point, because 3 can't go into 1. If you put the decimal point, you add the 0 here, make sure you align the decimal point here. So now 3 can go into 10 3 times. 3 times 9, 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now I need to have two numbers. Remember, I need my answer in hundreds place. So 3 again can't go into 1, so you add another 0 here, and then you put a 0 here, you have to drop the 0 here as well. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So you notice that it repeats, right? So they call this infinity. Okay, the answer here would be 0.33. You have to put that 0 in front of the decimal point, because there can be errors or prevention of errors. Okay, so the answer here is 0.33, and it has the infinity sign because it keeps repeating. Okay, number 2, same process. You want to take the denominator and put it outside. Put your division sign here, and then you put your numerator here. So denominator in the front, and then numerator in the inside. Okay, you want to add the decimal point here, and then the 0, because 8 cannot go into 2. So 8 can go into 20 2 times. So 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, 20 minus 16 is 4. Remember, we need to get two numbers. So now 8 cannot go into 4, so you would add another 0 here, and then drop the 0 there. 8 goes into 45 times. So your answer now is 0.25. Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40. This is 0. Okay, same process here. You want to take the denominator and you put it outside, and then the numerator goes inside. 7 cannot go into 5. You put your decimal point and you add your 0. You align your decimal points. 7 goes into 57 times. 7 times 7 is 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. Okay, got to add another 0 here, another 0 here. 7 can go into 10 one time. 1 times 7 is 7, and my remaining is 3. So my answer here is going to be 0.71.